Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning the shortcut key to make the text in our Windows or in our Microsoft Word document small or capitalized. Okay, so if you want to know that, then just please follow the steps that I'm going to show you, and please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the very end. So let's open first the the Microsoft Word. So please make a click here in the Windows icon and then go to Word. And once it's open, let us open a blank document, and I have copied a text, so let me just paste it. And if you want to make this or make all the text in small letters, all you need to do is just to select everything or to highlight everything, and you can do that by pressing Ctrl A button. Now once this is highlighted, all you need to do is just to click on the Shift F3 key, or in other devices this won't do, or this won't work. So just please click Shift Function F3 key, and you will see that all the text has become all capitalized. And if you want to uh, make everything small, then just press again Shift Function key F3. And as you can see, all the letters now are in small case. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, and if you want more videos like this, then please do give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.